Stoop down a little bit because this doesn't really go up high, and me standing up is, well, you can only see my mouth moving. I actually gotta make myself short for once. I'm here because I'm going to be dyeing my hair today or touching up the colors, and I already have my pictures and whatnot for me showing you what you need for this because, hey, I'm just trying to, you know, keep it organized, kinda. Second video, gotta do a little bit better than the first, just a little bit. Getting ready to go wash my hair. I'll catch you guys in a little bit, and I'll let you see how my hair turned out. So if you really didn't mind this video, you know, share it for me, like it maybe, or, you know, subscribe if you haven't. I don't know, I really don't know how this works. I really don't feel like telling you to do this. Obviously, hey, you don't have to do this. I mean, if you did it, it would be nice, yay, but I don't really care about that because it's just like, yeah, if you see me, you see me. It's your choice. Whatever you choose to do is what you choose to do. Alright, so I'm here with my hair freshly washed with the Revlon black dye on it. Don't mind the conditioner. And the door on the side, which, you know, kinda, yeah. So now I think I am just gonna put my stuff on my hair. I don't know why I said that while shaking my head. I think I'm just gonna put the my moisturizers and whatnot on my hair and sit down, twist it, because I need to do something to this. I can't just let it be like this. I'm not gonna sit down and like record me twisting it because I am not a hairstylist or the best at doing my hair. Hey, I'm being honest, I can't do my hair. So, but this is what it, you know, it came out like. I like it. I don't necessarily know what the back looks like. And I'm over here like about to spill the red dye. I am a very clumsy person, but yes, this is what we got. I really do enjoy having my hair half black, half red, to be honest. Let me let you guys go, and you can go on about your day, do whatever you were doing. I'm sorry to take up your time and have you sit here and watch me not really do anything but just paint my hair.